Super Coffee team, thank you so much for having us back. We are so excited to be able to present to you guys again and expand on some of our recommendations. So first of all, before we get started, we'd like to thank Professor Essing, who is our teacher at our university and really helped us along this process. So to kick things off, I'm Peyton Jones. I'm a senior business marketing major.
My name's Lily Sands. I'm also a senior and I am an international business major.
My name is Keith and I am a senior studying marketing.
Great, so to do a little presentation overview, today we're going to talk about strategy objectives, our research, our super recommendations from our research, and some of the finances that'll back those recommendations. So to kick things off, here's our strategy overview. We wanted to boost brand awareness by increasing customer market and putting Super Coffee directly in front of the college carry demographic, and energize the community engagement by using social media to spread that positive energy that Super Coffee is known for, and also increase profitability by generating revenue through previously unexplored channels. And so now we're going to go into some of our research. We're going to talk about our research objectives, our primary research, and key takeaways from that research we collected. So here are our three research objectives. We based our primary research on these three questions. And the first one was, where did this target audience get most of the information regarding Super Coffee? What factors enrich the target market's emotional connection with the brand? And three, how can we evaluate brand awareness regarding Super Coffee? So the primary research we conducted, we got a total of 297 respondents. And in order to do this, we conducted a survey using Qualtrics to ask a combination of multiple choice and open-ended questions. And all the respondents were the college carry age of 18 to 25 years old. In order to get this survey out, we did it through word of mouth by asking friends, families, peers, classmates to take the survey. We also posted on social media and also online communities that have a lot of university students, and Reddit was a huge platform for us for our survey. And the gender distribution of our respondents was 59% women, 37% men, and 3% non-binary. So some of our key findings from that primary research was that we found 50% of our respondents get informed of coffee brands through social media or word of mouth. 25% drink coffee to feel energized followed by flavor. 90% reported to be non-loyal to a coffee brand. 26 cited convenience as the most important to brand loyalty. And something that was really important we found was 95% of our respondents were not familiar with Super Coffee. So our key takeaway was Super Coffee's information and offerings must easily be accessible and convenient to best serve that college carry. And so going through the customer journey, each of the recommendations Keith and Lily are about to go through will help give that college carry from awareness to loyalists, and all through their lifetime of trying Super Coffee. So now Lily's going to take it away with some of our super recommendations. So yeah.
Perfect. Thank you, Peyton. I am going to talk about social media and corporate social responsibility, and then Keith is going to take it from there. So first thing that we wanted to point out is we did notice when we were kind of exploring the social media of Super Coffee that there are a lot of different usernames depending on the platform. For example, if you look at the first picture, Instagram is Drink Super Coffee, and then if you look at Twitter, it's Drink Super Co. So we recommend rebranding under one online alias because currently there are 5 different ones connected to the brand Super Coffee. We think that this would just cause a little bit of customer confusion, maybe harm searchability. So overall, we just want to make Super Coffee's offerings more accessible by making a unanimous Instagram, Twitter, Facebook handle. And so on the social media topic, we do want to implement an Instagram and TikTok campaign and encourage users to share content and highlight real-world superheroes in their life and their super accomplishments using that hashtag Celebrate Super. If you look at the picture, this was actually a post that Keith made, and the Celebrate Super hashtag was the first time it was ever used on Instagram. So we believe that this would be a really good start for Super Coffee to really get a trend going and use that hashtag and just celebrate the little everyday heroes that we have in our lives. In general, a lot of what we learned in our marketing classes is that creating a call to action is the most beneficial marketing campaign that a company can do. So that's what we want to do, is just create this positive call to action. And with that being said, we want to kickstart this campaign using that hashtag Celebrate Super while using influencers. The 3 people that we have on the screen are just examples of ones that we found that are high energy, positive, and just relatable to that college carry audience. So we want Super Coffee to choose what's best for them, but these are examples of those influencers that we think really align with the brand image of Super Coffee. And with that being said, smaller influencers tend to have higher audience engagement rates. So that's why we were kind of looking at the certain follower range where we feel like they can make the most impact with Super Coffee. So these are 2 examples of content. If you look at the first one, the left, that is for October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month, a very important month. This is an example of a post that Super Coffee could use. And again, you see that hashtag Celebrate Super. And then the second one is something that would maybe be more geared towards November, Veterans Day. And that is just thanking all of our veterans and heroes who have fought for our country and for our freedom. If you look at the QR code, the black one, that just takes you to the Super Coffee website, but the pink one below is example of different social media contents that you could use. So finally, I wanted to talk about corporate social responsibility. This is a huge topic and a very important topic for the Gen Zs, the millennials, the college carry demographic in general. And 66% surveyed said that they prefer to work for companies that prioritize corporate social responsibility. And then in terms of our survey and our respondents, they cited community outreach and reputation as factors for choosing a brand over another. So we think that philanthropic efforts for Super Coffee need to be emphasized a little bit more. And one of our ideas is partnering with different organizations, maybe making a campaign called Super Coffee times St. Jude's, where you make every child feel like a superhero. That's just an example of what you could do. And then in terms of environmental sustainability, this is also a big part of corporate social responsibility because we need to do our part to save the earth. This could be something like a recycling campaign, cleaning up the beaches, encouraging carpooling. We know that a huge competitive advantage of Super Coffee is their clean ingredients, but we kind of want to go beyond that and show a healthy, clean impact on the environment through action. So now Keith's going to take it with some more recommendations.
All right, thank you, Lily. So we're going to start by talking about your authority score. Your authority score is an important measure of the quality of web traffic on your website. It is based on factors such as number of backlinks, the credibility of referring backlinks, and the amount of organic traffic your website receives. Using SEMrush, we found that Super Coffee has an authority score of 41 out of 100, which indicates that the website lacks in credibility and popularity. Raising your authority score will make it easier for college carry to find Super Coffee organically because search engines such as Google will review your website as more credible and move the Super Coffee domain to the top of search results. Our approach to raising your authority score is through outsourcing a freelance content creator using Help a Reporter Out. Help a Reporter Out connects journalists seeking content with sources who have that content. This service has a monthly fee of $150, but we believe this cost is worth it because you will be paired with a content creator who can help create backlink content for your social media platforms via blogging and skyscraping. Skyscraping is finding relevant content with lots of backlinks, repurposing content, and promoting that content to the right people, ideally on social media. We also want to increase the paid growth and searchability through optimizing Super Coffee's Google Ads usage. When we search Super Coffee on Google, the first sponsored ad appeared on the second page of Google. We can increase your website's ad ranking through keyword targeting. Using SEMrush's magic keyword tool, we compiled a list of 17 low cost per click, highly searched, relevant keywords to include as navigational keywords in your search engine optimization strategy. Google suggests using 7 to 10. To boost ad ranking, we also suggest investing $2,490 into Google Ads monthly. This investment will ensure at least 2,770 ad impressions per month when users search related navigational keywords according to estimates from the Google Ads website. Moving on to the website's performance, we discovered that it takes 4.6 seconds using a 4G connection to load Super Coffee's website on mobile. According to a Google study, 77% of smartphone shoppers are more likely to purchase from companies whose websites or mobile apps allow them to make purchases quickly. To improve your website's loading speeds, we included 4 suggestions, which are on the left of the screen, that include lowering the quality of images and minifying JavaScript. Sticking with the theme of website improvements, we believe adding more ways to pay at checkout will improve the customer shopping experience for college carry. This action helps reduce cart abandonments by matching the way your customers like to shop. We recommend adding an Apple Pay, Amazon Pay, and Stripe digital wallet to your checkout page. And to close out this section of website improvements, we saw an opportunity to generate revenue in a way that's seamless and non-intrusive to the customer shopping experience. SuperCoffee can generate a higher revenue per sale through creating a commission junctions account. Commission Junctions is a service that allows you to sell an affiliate brand's product from your website. How it works is that you will place a sponsored ad on your website. If the product or service resonates with your customer, they'll click on the affiliate link, purchasing the product. Thus, SuperCoffee will earn a commission for hosting the affiliate link. To the right of the screen is a seamless integration of a commission junction affiliate ad on your website. All right, finally, if you want to break through the digital clutter and provide disruptive solutions to stand out among other brands, Hubspot Enterprise is how you do it. Hubspot Enterprises is a multifaceted customer relationship management program that offers features such as ad targeting, market automation, and advanced reporting. The ad targeting tool will break through digital clutter through providing statistical-based recommendations that will improve search engine and ad placement, search engine optimization and ad placements. The marketing automation feature of HubSpot Enterprises will automatically notify your marketing team of hot leads. The marketing automation tool is especially great because it can create campaigns specifically to engage and target partners, customers, and investors. Finally, there's HubSpot's many advanced reporting tools. These tools use data to connect customer interactions to revenue, so you can make strategic decisions rooted in business value, not vanity metrics. With advanced reporting, SuperCoffee will stand out among other competitors by knowing their customer better than other online brands and beating them to leads. Next, I will pass it on to Peyton and Lily to discuss our timeline and financial plan.
Great, thanks, Keith. So as you'll see on this screen, this is the timeline we generated for our recommendations. We worked with that June to December timeline you guys gave us, and you'll see that a lot of our owned strategy and SEO will be kind of at the beginning of those months. And then August through November is kind of the busier months with more of the social media aspect, because that's when college carry is moving back into her going back to school, being more social, studying more, all that good stuff. And so that's why the emphasis of the social media campaigns are August through November. And you'll also see some of the spots that are contingent. And that's just because we wanted to leave that spot open, because if these campaigns really take off, we want to continue and raise that awareness if they're being successful. And if they're not successful, we can take those away and rework our campaign to really gear more towards that college carry. So I'm going to pass it off to Lily to talk about our budgeting.
Perfect. Thank you, Peyton. Yep, I'm going to finish up talking about our finances. So just kind of an overview, we project that our recommendations will cost $106,820 to implement, and the total revenue generated with that will be $490,120. So these are conservative estimates. That's something that we wanted to make sure to point out. And then as far as how we got these numbers, just to provide an overview, we'd use the lifetime value formula to get the cost, and then we use the modified revenue formula to get the revenue. So if you were to implement these recommendations, this is kind of the overview of the finances that you could expect. So we just wanted to say thank you. We thoroughly enjoyed working on this. We thank you for inviting us to come to the finals, and we really look forward to talking with you all in the question and answer session. But again, thank you so much. We're so appreciative, and we look forward to speaking with you. Thank you.